Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install extensions that you need for KDP. Like for me, I use Titans Pro, Titans Quick View mostly. Titans Pro, Titans Quick View. These are the only two extensions I use for my KDP. If you check here now, see these are these two. This one I don't really use it. This is grammar for correction. VPN sometimes I use them, but these are the major two. So now when you click on it, you search Titans Pro. Now you have to create an account. You have to use an account on it. So they ask you to create an account. I already have it installed on my system, but let me go to another system. Let me open another one that doesn't have it, right? So this is a new account that I created. You search Titans Pro extension. See, is on available on Chrome, available on Opera Mini and other browsers. So you click on add to Chrome. And when you add to Chrome, it's going to ask you to create an account. So you have to sign in so that it's going to s- provide you with suitable ones that aligns well with you, right? This is first one, Titans Pro. Then you have Titans Quick View as well. You understand? Now you'll be asked to create an account. If you don't have one, I already have an account, but for the sake of this video, I'll create another one. I'm going to create a new account for the sake of this video. So let me use let's use an email. I don't really use that much. You sign in, right? Okay, I don't have an account, so I'll click on sign up rather. So maybe so you sign up, then head over to Amazon.com. I want to show you how to use this as well, not just creating an account. So now I've created an account. You'll be asked to log in. Asked to log in. And this is Amazon.com. Look at it here. We have it. So now if you are searching for a title, let's say I want to search for Boston Travel Guide 2025. Let me say I want to search for this. Now with the extension, you click on it, and it's going to suggest keywords for you. That's keywords that you can put into your. Now this is just the free version. You can go for the pro version if you want to. See, these are keywords. Sandy Newman that you can include in your backend, right? Then the second one is Titans Quick View, Amazon Niche Founder. That one, this one is going to be showing you BSR, the BSR niche and all that. Is going that's what it's going to do. So you add to Chrome as well. Now we already created an account. We've already created the account, so you may not ask us to log in, and that's just it. So it's downloading over here, right? Alright, so we have to log in again just like we logged in before. And mine, just take a look at this before installation. Now this how it's looking like. This is normal Amazon without the extension. But let me install this and I'll show you something. I'm not logged in, right? So let's refresh this. Click on this to show that this is here. Then click on Amazon Quick View because you want it to be showing on the you want it to showing on your, so you refresh. Now when you refresh it now, this extension will start working. If you can see here now, quick view shows you, gives you basic information that you need to proceed. You understand? So these are the information here. See? No, it's not yet loaded that part. So this is just for what should I call it? This is just like an overall data for that. So this is a new score 77. I normally go for 50 and above. So this sticks my 50 and above, less than 300 research. I'm going to do another video on how to do research using these extensions, but for now, stick to this. See, now it's going to be showing you BSR of books, BSR of books. You understand? So, all right, that's the end of this video. Subscribe for more videos, and hopefully, you gain a lot of knowledge before the end of the year and start making sales as well.